Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. It's me, Lee, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Guys, and welcome back to my channel, Unicorn Fairy. Today I'm just going to clean my two drill bits. I have two drill bits that I was using. So to start off with, these are just my boxes that I put them in. So I've already cleaned my two that I was using. And I thought, oh, maybe I could do a video, sorry. So this is my box just to put these back in when I'm done. So basically, all you need is your efile. You need some of this antibacterial spray. I'm using ASP. It's a sanitizer basically, and I have one of these. You can get these on eBay. And I think you can get them on Wish. If I remember, I will leave a link below. Now, I don't know if this is exactly how you do it, but when you look at the pictures, this is how it shows you to do it. When I was looking at pictures, so I'm gonna just do the 1 or 2. I'm not sure yet, but I'll do it. So you just pop it in. Don't know if you saw that, and then you spray. Let me just put this out of the way. So your thing's got sanitizer on it, and then you switch your machine on, and then you do it on the metal side first. Hang on. And then you move it onto this side, bring it in, and I do it back and forth. And then you can turn it off. So, and now we're nice and clean. So I'm going to do that with the other one. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. So I'll put you back in the box. And then do the same with this one. So this is a flame bit. I got this off Joom, I think. So you just spray it. Put it on. And then you go in. I think this is just to get into like all the nooks and crannies, in all fairness. I'm not actually 100%. And this just shines it. Although I'm not 100% sure, so if anyone actually knows, please leave me a comment. I didn't use them that much, but now it's nice and sanitized and ready for the next use. This is I think this one is a coarse bit because it feels quite rough compared to my other ones, although it could be a medium. But I do like this one because it's iridescent. Yeah, no dust or anything in between. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you liked that video, and I will be back again with another one very soon. Bye!